All right. So for Defender, right? So I mean to say for anti-spam, right? For spam filtering, basically, you have to go to your Microsoft Defender portal or Microsoft 365 Manager Plus, and over there you will be able to set up the filter. Okay, so I think this time, last time I already showed you, so you can see the process. This is going to be the process. In case you are going to go with the you are going with the a Defender portal, right? So you have to just follow this process, which I have already showed you in our last class. And if you are going to use the Manager M365 Manager Plus, then this is going to be the save the exchange online list in left pane, select the mail traffic reports,
Yeah, what is
spam
this
detection, and
now?
tenant.
So M365 Manager Plus.
No,
That is
I
also
don't.
another thing.
Huh?
This Manager Plus is another thing like Microsoft Defender.
Yes. It is basically for the reporting mostly. Okay. See, if I am going to, these are the plans actually, plan one and plan two. Okay. So let me access that thing only.
See there is only also one more option, Exchange Online Protection.
Where it
On
is.
can you go? No,
Okay.
before that use was.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, see in can you go back? I will tell you. I just read it there. See, Office 365 also has a built-in spam filter called Exchange Online Protection.
So EOP, we have already covered EOP as well,
Okay.
right? Where you can block the URL, where you can block the sender's IP. So all these things we have already covered. You can spam the domains, anti-malware engines, inspection of the message body, attachments or malware. So already we have covered this thing now.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Then okay. That's why I don't know. Maybe I missed some.
Yeah, so we have already covered in Exchange Online Protection, EOP.
Otherwise, we
Okay.
can check in this Defender like these steps, right?
Correct, correct. So mostly it is going to be through Defender itself.
Okay.
Okay. So Defender is going to give you a central security rather than doing it for the EOP, Exchange Online Protection. Okay.
Right.
And then you were talking about message trace, right? So what is
Yeah.
message trace? Acha, do anyone of has this portal access right now? So Hill, do you have the license?
No, I don't have
Oh,
this.
then I think
Kamran having that, but he is not available now. I don't know.
he's not joined the class. Can you please check on the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, just ping him if he's joining so that I'll be able to show you. So one more thing you can do, okay? Just I'm giving you this link, all right? And you can see download PDF. Okay, so just download the PDF, right? So that you will be able to get the related stuff, related things. Okay.
Okay.
So I am giving you in the chat and download it.
I will put it in the group also.
Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 sure. And even after this, I have just bunch of interview question related to 365. Okay, I will upload it on your WhatsApp group itself rather than doing it on the classroom. All right.
Oh. These classes we can access. We will have access for 1 year, right?
1 year, correct.
After that, if we want, we need to renew.
Renew the price. Yes, correct. So might be it would be you have to pay a small amount and then you will get
Hmm.
the access of 1 more year.
And Sahitya, in the Entra, how we create the conditional access policies to allow the travel for the users? Like
I am
suppose
here
one
talking about identity access management.
conditional access is like if user like going to Mexico and we want to allow that country, how we create that kind of policies?
So when you're going to assign the license, you can change the usage license usage country from there itself.
No, 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 no. Suppose like there are 500 users in a company,
Hmm.
and they go to the different countries time to time.
Hmm.
So what we do, like suppose one user is going to China,
Uh,
so they send us the email. Okay, this one user is going to China from this state to this state, so you need to open that country. So we go to Entra and to the conditional access. There is one policy created related to
okay.
the allowed countries.
Okay.
Then we select that particular China country and put a reminder in our calendar
Hmm.
that this user will come back and we need to stop the access.
Hmm.
Then we allow that country, and then that user can check his emails or use Office 365 in China.
Okay.
Otherwise, he is not able to access if
Okay. Okay.
that
Anyways,
country is not allowed.
got your point. So, do you have the access of Entra ID?
Yes, I have, but I have the client access.
Portal access you don't have, huh?
Yeah, I can share my screen.
Okay, then please go ahead. Let me stop it. जब जब तूने बोला था कि बहुत गर्म है.
See here, under protection, we go to conditional access.
Hmm. And then go to policies. Okay. All staff Canada only. Okay. So can you just can you go to this new policy? Hmm. Now let's say what and all things here. Target resources, users, network, condition, access control session. Okay. Can you go to conditions?
This one.
Yeah. Device platform location. From here you can enable it. Yep. Below locations you can see, na? Yep.
Uh,
Or just open your policy that is created for Canada. We'll see. I know this is the only we have to. This is the only thing. Yeah. Can you go to the condition that is saying one selected? Yeah. Location you can see any network or location and one excluded. Okay. Can you go to exclude Canada only? Got it?
okay.
Excluded is Canada. Apart from Canada, the user will be able to. ठीक है? So this is how you can do. एक और ऑप्शन होता है यहाँ पे एंडी. मेरे को एक मिनट टाइम दो. मैं एक बार चेक करता हूँ. एक सेकंड. मुझे ध्यान आ रहा है. अभी मैं रिकॉल कर पा रहा हूँ ये चीज. कंडीशंस आपने लगाई यहाँ पे. सिस्टम बेस्ड हो गया, डिवाइस बेस्ड हो गया, लोकेशंस. लोकेशंस में, हाँ ये लोकेशंस में ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. इसके अलावा जब
Yeah,
हम लाइसेंस असाइन करते हैं ना यूजर को, लाइक ओवर देयर यू कैन, हाँ करेक्ट 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 करेक्ट
yes,
करेक्ट.
one.
यस.
Named locations.
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट.
Then what we do, we generally select this like, and
हाँ.
on the particular date we uncheck it. Suppose this
ओके ओके.
Portugal, this user has some user has gone to Portugal. That is why it is opened.
Correct, correct. Okay, okay. Yeah, so this is how you have to update it. Canada only. So it is Canada only. So is it excluded or what it is? Because in excluded I can see Canada. When you went to this conditional based policy, Canada only. Um,
This is only Canada selected. But here travel allowed countries.
Okay, this is allowed countries and all staff Canada only. Conditional access policy. Countries IP. You can see United States, Spain.
Like we all always like avoid if the countries like China or
Yeah,
Mexico
correct,
or something,
correct, correct,
from
correct.
where we can get the malware and something.
Right, 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 right. Mostly it is going to be from China itself.
Yeah, so for that we need the special approval.
Mm-hmm. Correct, correct.
He's saying he will not join today, I think.
Is it, huh? Okay.
Or we need to make it. Otherwise, how
I
we
will
will
not be
see?
able to make a this because it is because here they are taking time. Oh God.
From here, it's a per user MFA. Like
Yes,
we can enable or disable only if we want to single user to enforce or to disable.
correct. So whenever user is going to log in, right? So he will be redirected directly to the MFA because you are going to enforce it. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
So Sohel, what I'm doing now, okay, I'm sharing the links to the queries you mentioned in WhatsApp group. Okay. So if you will get the chance, okay, if let's
Other,
say you have your office
okay,
account.
you can share the documents. I'm just saying that if he is available next week, any day, can we make a session only one day?
Next week, huh?
Huh? Because
Next week,
tomorrow
just
you
a
are not
second.
available, right?
Yeah, tomorrow there is a family function.
Okay, so any one day, that's enough, I think.
Then we can do one thing. So I'll be can we have class tomorrow in the evening, like 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock, yeah, no issue.
I will be available at 4 o'clock.
Then 4 to 6,
Four
like,
to six, I think is fine because I have to go 7:30, 7 or 7:30.
okay.
4 to 6
But
we can have
for
or based
me,
on
it's
your
okay. What about
convenience.
others? I don't know.
Andy,
Yes, yes,
because
it's okay.
you already took the off, right?
Yes.
Okay, then can you check with Kamran, Sohail?
Yeah, actually,
One is
maybe
like
Yeah.
the quarantine items.
Hmm. He
How
was asking for quarantine. Yeah.
suppose one email is going to somebody's email is going to quarantine, and
Uh,
we create one policy so that that particular email should not go to quarantine and should reach to. One was like we how we add it to the safe list so that it should not go to quarantine. There is some policy
yeah,
creation from where we
policy. Yeah, we talked about in last topic in last class,
can.
right? How to move it to the safe, how to move it to the spam, how to made it quarantine. Okay. So all
Okay,
those things
okay,
we have discussed,
okay. We use
Andy.
this one. Okay. The admin center generally to the security compliance intern
Mm,
change
mm, mm.
SharePoint teams.
Okay. Meanwhile, Sohail, I'm just giving all these links in the WhatsApp group itself. Okay. So whatever the queries you mentioned, okay. So we will follow the same link. WhatsApp, and I have to upload the interview question also. I will upload it tonight. All right. Message trace, and this would be your content search, a basic content e-discovery basically, and customize your archival policy. Archival policy, and then you talked about e-discovery we already covered. Conditional access. Now he was asking for based on the condition. So Andy, I'm giving this link as well. You can just go through with it and you can see how they are making it configured.
Retention policies.
So Andy, is this your office license, like your company's license or
This
what?
Yeah, this is one of our company, Mark and Metal.
Okay. So we can do the same thing on your license now. Why we are waiting for Kamran? We will not make any configuration, but just to understand the things, right? We can do it on your
If
board.
possible, then okay.
Yeah, because obviously for Kamran also we are going to use his office license, his company's license. Yes, we will not make any change, but how
This
to
is
do the
also
configuration?
Microsoft 365 admin center
Correct,
only.
correct, correct. It is E3.
So if
It is
Andy
E3.
is okay, then we can.
Andy, can you go to the settings? Can you please expand settings? No, go to billing, sorry, billing,
Okay.
and go to licenses. I want to see the license. Yeah, you are rich enough, Andy.
I have many companies. It's only one of them.
Oh man.
We have Intune licenses. We can, work on the telephone lines, everything, voice lines.
So, Andy, are you running your own company or like how?
No, no, I am in MSP company,
Okay,
where they handle like 500 clients
okay,
from mostly from Calgary, here, Vancouver, and this USA, the whole
okay, okay. So right now you're
so
based in Canada or US?
Canada.
Canada.
It's in-
Okay.
yeah. So like we use like auto task. I told you this one.
Mhm,
This is the auto task.
mhm, mhm.
So here there are different teams. We have this Kaio, Maverick, Navy, Quantum. Every team has different clients, number of clients.
All right, all right. So
Suppose
for Intunes, which license you procured? Is it E5 or like for Intune or you got Intune suite only?
we have every type of variety. So suppose these all are the companies. Like these are only added into the favorite, but more than that, see these all companies we have access.
Okay, 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 okay. Then I think you have lots of things to do, right? Which you can test
Yeah,
and you can
that's
configure.
why. Suppose like this is
Are you doing something on your screen? Because we are not able to see it. I can see only license screen.
license.
Are you using
Yes.
extended screen?
No, no, yes, I have three screens here.
Okay, okay. Then I can see only your license last time you opened this like. Last you opened your license window, so we can only see that one. How about Sohail?
Yes, for me also say.
Same screen, nah? Okay.
Okay, you cannot see this aspect
Nobody.
structure.
No,
No,
no, no, no.
No, no, only this window that you currently opened for that license.
it's showing me on the share screen. Let me.
So if it is possible, then we can you show us here, Mr. Saitya?
I don't have an issue, Sohail. It totally
You
depends
know, it
because it
is
is a
the,
production like environment, right? So if he's okay, then I don't have an issue.
no. I don't want to take risk because this is a recording
Ah,
session.
correct, 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 Andy. Correct, no problem. And even higher. So, correct, correct, correct. So, Sohail, how you are practicing your labs then? How you performed your
Currently,
previous labs?
sorry.
How
So
you
he'll
were
you
performing your
see
previous
you
labs?
can do one thing. Do you
Uh,
have any credit card with you?
I have.
Then just apply for the this license. Just I did for the 2 months. It's a free of cost.
Okay. So it will take time.
I don't think it's take much
This
time.
Kamran is saying he will come tomorrow.
But
Okay.
even I think Kamran will also avoid using his production environment.
See,
If
Andy, we will not
we
make
are
any
not
configuration. We will not apply anything. Okay. I am just going to show you the process. We will not
Yeah,
apply.
still there are so many things.
Yeah, I can understand. I totally understand, and it should be like that only. Okay. Obviously, if it is a production environment and it is a recorded session, then it might be a security issue. I totally understand it, this thing, right? So even what we can do then, I'll stop the recording then. I believe Kamran will be okay with it, right? We will stop the recording. Okay. So and even Sohail, I am going to follow the same link which I have shared with you all. Okay. I am going to follow the same link and whatever the procedure they have mentioned. Okay. Even I am going to follow or even whatever the topics we have discussed. Okay. It is totally from the Microsoft documentation.
Okay.
All right. It's not a big deal to understand these things. If you are going to follow the process step by step mentioned by the Microsoft, it's fine. But anyways, so if let's say
Yeah,
Kamran will be okay, we will do it tomorrow at 4 o'clock. We can start session at 4 o'clock tomorrow. I don't have any issue with it.
yeah. Ideally, it should be from NetKing. They must have provided some this 2 month subscription, either free or paid. But I don't know
No,
why they
Andy, it
did
is
not.
not like that. Even whenever you are going to study anything, right? Even from
No,
I'm not talking
how?
about networkings. Even I'm talking about the other uh, training platforms, right? They will not gonna provide you the licenses. It is going to be a cost-based license if you want it,
No, but
right?
how you will teach without licenses?
So that is why they have made this free trials now.
Yes, then that's what I am saying, that this free trial should be provided by the NetKing so that you can teach well to the students for at least 1 month or 2 months.
No, no. Even
They
Azure
should have
also,
backup.
right? For Azure also, whatever the topics I'm teaching in Azure, right? So that is also on a free trial basis. Okay, and after that, again, um, if let's say a student is ready to bear the cost, right? Then they can pay 15 or 1600 rupees, and they will get $100 in their credit, and they can again use it for 1 more month. Okay, so
Yeah,
it totally depends.
even free trials are not being provided by NetKing.
Because that you are going to create it, bro.
But
Why?
we are like I have used my credit card now. Sohail
Ah,
is avoiding to use. Maybe the students don't have the credit cards. So in how
so
we
that
will
is something
handle
they
in
have
that
to arrange.
case.
Na? If they are learning, then they have to arrange it. Even from where I have learned these things, right? Server, SCCM, right? Intunes, Azure, AWS, right?
But I am doing with this networkings that Fortinet. Okay,
Okay.
that is they have labs, their own lab.
Because that doesn't needs any license, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
That
They
is a setup,
created some labs for
right?
that, and
Yeah, same way if you want to learn SCCM or you want to learn MCSA, right? They have already labs in their data center. You can just
yes, yes.
have it and you can
We
log in
will.
onto it. So where they can bear it, obviously they are doing it. But rest, what on all things are the license based, that is something if that is why they are not I don't think they are charging a lot, because if the same thing you are going to learn from another platform, right? So yes,
Mhm.
they will charge a huge amount, and along with they will give you the license as well. Obviously at the end they are going to put the load on yourself, on you only, right? You have to bear it. So anyways, so what I will do, let's wait for this guy Kamran, and then we will continue with these three or four things pendings. Okay, I will let you know the process to perform it.
Okay, if he is available tomorrow, then we will do tomorrow.
Sure,
Okay.
buddy, I don't have an issue. And 4 o'clock, do
Okay,
remember.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Chalo,
you just share the interview questions and also
tonight I'll do that. Tonight I'll do that. All the
this
documentation and all.
certification questions also if you have.
Yeah, I'll try to get some this thing also. What it is, do your dumps. Okay.
Ah,
So
okay,
yeah, and I'll upload it on your, like, give me just tonight. I'll do that. I'll set it.
okay.
I'll do that. Okay.
You will give us in WhatsApp group, right?
WhatsApp group itself, yes.
Okay, okay,
Along with it, I will upload on Classroom also, so that it will
okay,
be
okay.
there. Okay. Chalo. So I'll see you tomorrow then, 4 o'clock. Bye everyone. Take care.